What's poppin', everyone? It's Marisol. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to go over a few DIY ideas I have for this week. I did want to sew some patterns, but unfortunately I don't have fabric. I've talked about this before. The fabric stores are actually only providing online services, which is the curbside pickup, and or you have to buy a minimum of 2 yards or more in order to get, the fabric you want. I'm not really a fan of that unless the project I'm doing is small. Then I will order like a yard or two to make tote bags. But I don't know, I physically like to be in the store, feeling, smelling the texture of the fabrics, so I can picture the project I have in mind as I'm touching, feeling, whatever. So that's why I'm not making any garments at the moment, unfortunately. But hopefully when this is all over, I will be able to hop back in there and do my thing. Anyways, back to the DIY ideas I have for this week. As I was organizing my pegboard where I have my sewing notions hanged up, I was thinking that I need a little bit more decor on that side of the wall. I'll show you in a bit. So there's my pegboard, right? The one I just mentioned. And then there's this side of the wall. And this is where I filmed some of my videos before. And I want to add a little bit more decor to that, so it won't be just plain white as the background. So yeah, that's the first thing. Now the second thing is I'm gonna have to mount the chair, so hold up. So right up here I have these headphones. And as you can see, I've already painted a few with acrylic paint, and I want to go back and retouch a few of them, especially this one, by adding eyes, lips, and maybe the eyebrows. Make some eyebrows happen. This one will probably be my masterpiece if everything comes out as planned. I will be working with some leftover fabric for this baby, so let's hope it works. And then the third thing that I have in mind is, the third project I have in mind is to sew my mother and sister a few tote bags for Mother's Day. And I want to be able to do that by this Sunday the 3rd, because Mother's Day is on the 5th, I think. So I want to have that like 2 days before. They love tote bags, so why not do it now that it's quarantine time and I get to sew tote bags. Yay! So those are the 3 DIY ideas I have for this week. They are kind of last minute, so I'm gonna try to squeeze them in. I mean, I have time, but sometimes you feel lazy, so. But I now have a question for crafters and sewists. What are you crafting or sewing during this quarantine? Or are you just chilling, or anywho, please leave your comments down below and let me know what you're doing. And if you like this video, dale manita arriba, and if not, then keep rolling. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Be well.